Hello everyone, I am Jaren and I'm real estate representative in Dubai. Today I am going to talk about one of the most important and profitable reasons of investing in Dubai. And of course, yes, it's a rental field. Dubai offers one of the highest rental fields in the world. Compared to the global property destinations, the cost of purchase is lower in Dubai while generating higher rental field. So let's call it like a luxury for the less. Today, Dubai offers some of the most luxurious homes for the less in comparing to the major cities across the globe. As in the current market, you can get an investment with a very perfect ROI. And it beats in terms of value and in terms of luxury, including major cities like London, New York, Singapore, Mumbai, Shanghai, and etc. For just 125,000 US dollars, you can own your freehold property without any taxation, with a strategic location and from the reputed developer. So if you are looking for a smart and safe secured investment in Dubai, I'm going to leave my contacts below, and if you have any questions, please keep in touch with me. Share with this video with anyone who might be interested in, and thanks for the watching. Jaren Anakuliwa.